So the path to achieving net zero, this examples from the McKinsey report for 5 moves for CEOs is summarized below, where firstly, CEOs, leaders of organizations, providing capital investment to achieve the net zero. Companies have to play offense by providing values within the net zero opportunity. And net zero can be embedded with the company's sustainability goals so that it's not just seen as just one of the environmental impacts or sustainability, but as part of a holistic sustainability plan. To achieve net zero would require a lot of partnership, collaborations, and improvement of the ecosystem. To achieve net zero, the setting of the targets and implementation will require a significant retraining, upscaling, skills-based training for various leaders of the organization and employees. So to finish off with the net zero opportunity and embedding with sustainability, McKinsey report snapshot highlights there are 11 key areas where there are huge value pool or potential for organizations, where there is potential of about $12 trillion a year around the 2030 mark from various sectors like industry, water, buildings, and so on and so forth, as shown here. So we've had a very detailed section on net zero. In summary, we looked at what is net zero and why net zero is essential. And then we explored the net zero methodologies and the greenhouse gas accounting. We looked at a number of case studies, starting with the SBTI Science Based Target Initiative and a couple of decarbonizations by 2 major companies. And then we finished off with how essential it is to build stakeholder support and how to communicate net zero within the organization. So here are the additional list of the references and further read. So some activity for you to think about before we go to the next lesson. So all the 3 scopes of emissions that we looked at, which of the topics are applicable to your organizations? So would you gather data for the various scope of emissions that we've discussed? And further to the data collection, how do you plan to acquire data from the various departments or various sectors or various sections of the organization? And lastly, how do you ensure the quality of data for the various scopes of emissions?